Stacey and welcome to fall. I am so excited about this video today because I absolutely love fall decorating. And what I'm going to do today is I'm going to take you on a tour of my 4 homes. Yes, 4 homes. But the reason that I'm doing this is because I really want to show you how uniquely you can decorate your home for fall. You do not have to be traditional because here is the beauty about fall. There are so many different plant choices, so many different colors. There are so many different materials that you can combine with those plant choices. So sky is the limit, and I really urge you to be unique and decorate the way that feels right for you. Okay, welcome to my first home. I happen to be standing in front of a more traditional home, which is gorgeous. Colors that we're more used to seeing, bold oranges and bright burgundies, traditional corn stalks, gourds, hay bales, scarecrows, a little bit more traditional, but stunning. I love it so much. There's a little unique twist in here. You know, we always have to put a little unique twist, even though this is my more traditional home. We've got this gorgeous whiskey barrel filled with crotons and ornamental peppers. Now, croton is traditionally a houseplant, but why not use it in your fall decoration on your front stoop and then bring that plant inside and enjoy it all year round as a houseplant? I've got many more decorations to show you, many more homes to show you. Next, I'd like to take you to my modern home. Will you join me? Now, welcome to my modern home. I like to imagine that this is my modern home up in the hills. As you can see here, this is also beautiful and so different from the traditional home, but it also combines plants. Plants are our main focus, but they're so different than the ones that we used in the traditional home. Here we have more subdued colors, more neutrals. Even the pots we used, the black pots are more of a neutral with this white door. We've got very subtle tones in the grasses and even in these blue gourds that we used. I just have to talk about stackables. You guys, using an urn or any kind of pot and doing this triple stack of pumpkins and gourds always is a winner for fall. But here's the thing too, you can change up the colors. Here we use the blues and whites to make this more subtle for this more modern look. The other thing here is that we have a lot of texture in this. We've got really cool kales that have really neat shapes to them. There's a lot of architectural structure to the grasses, but also the grasses give us some softness to this more modern look. They flow in the breeze. We've got some annual grasses here, but also what I really want to talk about is switching it up. You know what I say, always mix and match things. You can do that. Here on either side of the door, we've got these miscanthus, which are perennial grasses. Why not use them on your front stoop to decorate for fall, then plant them in the ground and you can enjoy them year after year. You can get really bold and creative as you like. So welcome to my modern home, neutral colors, soft on the eyes, still gorgeous, still using fall plants. And now I actually want to bring you to one other house. Oh no, actually I have 2 more homes. I'm going to bring you to my house on the shore, my house on the beach. I think you're going to love it. Now, welcome to my house on the shore. You can see it's a little windy down here today, but what I wanted to do is I wanted my decorations on my front stoop to match my environment. I wanted them to feel beachy and light and airy, maybe even a little bit nautical. So I really stuck in these colors of blues and whites and purples, which I think is great for a beachy environment. It really screams beach. It screams shoreline. But once again, plants are the focus, using some gourds and pumpkins, but look how drastically different this is from the traditional and the modern home that you visited earlier with me. Now I've got a mix of perennials and annuals. Remember, mix and match. It's really important. You can do that. You can go into every department in the nursery to put together your fall decorations, and I urge you to do that. Here we have gorgeous little lime hydrangea. Use this on your front stoop to decorate and then plant it in the ground later. This is one of my favorite grasses here. This is standing ovation. If you haven't seen this one, the reason I love this is because it turns to these majestic colors of purple and blue in the fall. Really perfect for a shoreline cottagey kind of look. Then of course I've got white pumpkins and blue gourds. Once again, the hay bale. The hay bale is the theme at each place, but a hay bale is so neutral, it fits with everything and nothing screams fall like a hay bale. So this is my beautiful beachy cottage. I've got one other element in here that I think you guys would not normally put in here because most people think of this as a summer annual, but this is actually Diamond Mountain. Look at this. Talk about giving us that beachy, airy feeling that we're craving for this front stoop for the fall. Well, this is Diamond Mountain, and it looks great all summer long into the fall. It is an annual, but what a nice unexpected element. Also combined with these beautiful asters. The whole combination just looks so pretty. And now I'm sitting on my front stoop enjoying a beautiful view of the ocean. I got one more house to take you to. I think you're gonna really love it. It's really adorable. This is more of my little cottage. I'll see you there. Okay, and last but not least is my quaint little cottage in the country. As you can see, the decorations on this front stoop are completely different from my other homes, but I also love this too. How am I going to decide this year? Here, the colors are really, really bold, like the traditional house. However, they're so different. Now I've got colors of pinks and purples and yellows. And once again, what I really want to talk about is how I've mixed and matched perennials with annuals. It's really important to get brave with plants, guys. Here, I've got goldenrod flanking my door here. Yes, this is a perennial, an awesome pollinator that'll attract tons of butterflies. You can use it on your front stoop to decorate for the fall. Plant it in the ground, and then enjoy this plant year after year. But then I've got some other elements. Of course, I've always put in my gourds, but now this time, guys, the gourds are more of a pinky tone. So yes, you can play with that. You can mix and match. You can really pick and be really unique. I've got really gorgeous cabbage. I love cabbage so much. This cabbage happens to have a really purple center, which brings out the beautiful purple in the asters. So now we have a completely different look. My little cottage, and here's what I want you all to do. I really want you to decorate your front stoop, your home for the fall, how you like. Make it as unique and beautiful as you are. Thanks a bunch. See you next time.